Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you some of the main features and also the app settings that you should know before or even after buying the Noise Color Pro fitness watch. And I'm going to cover the music control, the camera shutter option, and also the watch faces, the notifications. So make sure you like this video and also subscribe for the full review and other videos as well. So let's begin the video. First of all, I would like to correct one thing from the last video, that you do not really need to detach the strap every time in order to charge it. The charger actually has this spring mechanism, so you can just open it up and basically put it inside. So yes, you don't have to remove the strap, which is a big relief. Alright, so let's start with pairing. You need to download this app called Darfit from the Play Store, and once you do this, you can simply add it, and it was pretty easy. So you have basically three tabs on the app, as you can see. So the first one basically shows all the health related information like the heart rate, sleep tracking, BP, and all the other health stuff. In the second tab, you will find most of the customization settings like the watch faces, notifications, alarms, and a lot of other stuff. So let's start with the watch faces. So you basically have three watch faces and you can actually customize it to your liking. Like you can also set a customized wallpaper taken from the gallery as well. But guys, as you can see, only the first watch face actually has the option to customize it, and you cannot really customize the second or third watch face style. So anyway, let's look at the customization settings. You can basically change the color and also the position of the time, date, and all the stuff. And also you can basically insert or you can attach a wallpaper from your gallery as well. It could be your photo or any favorite picture as well. So that is pretty cool. So as you can see, but I believe it is not really utilizing the full screen. So anyway, looking at the notifications here, you can enable whatever the apps that you want notifications for. For example, here I am enabling the phone and SMS, and yes, you need to give permissions in order for it to work, otherwise they won't work obviously. And for some reason it was not showing the caller name or the number, and I did give all the permissions required, but I don't know, but I'll definitely try and update this in the coming videos. And now moving on to the messages, also you can see it is working okay, but sometimes the display does not power up automatically, but sometimes it does. So that's that, but I will again update you in the upcoming videos. The music player is very handy and a unique feature, and it works pretty well. As you can see, you can skip tracks, you can pause, or you can even go back to the previous tracks. But I wish we had the ability to add the music player to the home screen or to one of the watch faces, because that would be very handy, and every time you have to go into the menu in order to control the music. So that's not bad, but it could have been better. The camera control works fine, but I believe it only triggers the rear camera and not the front camera. And yes, this always stays in the notification tray like most of the other bands. So that's that. Now moving on to the other settings, you can actually set up to 3 alarms, and also you have some other settings. So if you dig in, you will see that you have the find device option. So if you click it, it will basically vibrate, and the vibration is pretty strong as well. Now talking about other main settings, you also have the do not disturb option and also the continuous heart rate monitor, but I really don't know what is the interval of the continuous heart rate monitor, which I am going to cover in the upcoming videos as well. But this is going to drain the battery, so that's that. And also you have the weather settings that you can customize at the bottom of the settings, as you can see. So finally, in the last tab, you will find the profile information. Here you basically give your details like weight and height, all the stuff. So that is the overview of all the apps and features, and I'm also going to use it and give you my full review and also comparison videos after 2-3 days. So stay tuned to the channel, and also please guys like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.